Hey everyone, welcome. My name is Chris Neal. I am on the team here at Frontier Label, soon to be Sttark. You guys will see a bunch of this coming out. I wanted to make sure you guys had a video just showing how to use our template, our carton templates. I know many of you have been using our labels for years, so I want to make sure it was very clear on how to jump into doing this for all your product packaging needs. So first off, let's make sure we have open up both of our files here. We have our carton design file for us. It's just a simple file format. And then we have our template files, which will be the template generator that you can just download yourself right there from our website. And then, so here's what we are at. We're going to take our layers. We're going to open up our layers, and we're going to make sure that our artwork is all unlocked. If it's locked, you see the lock button, unlock it. And then we're just going to grab all of our files right here. So all of our graphics, and what we're going to do is just grab them and copy them right over to our template. Should be pretty simple. Here we go. Yes, I know some of them might be hidden. That's okay. All right, so we bring them right here. And then one of the things I would highly recommend doing from the first get-go is you see how none of this fits? That's great. You have to resize everything, which is totally fine. But when you come over to your layers, you notice that it's all in separate layers, or it's all in the same layer. I would go ahead and just build out a new layer. Let's call this one artwork. And then we're just going to grab all of these right here and bring them straight into this artwork. And then highly recommend go ahead and lock that down so you don't accidentally move a line you don't need to move on that generator, on the template, sorry. All right, so now it's just place away. So for me, I know first and foremost, I'm going to get this black box right. If you can see the green lines are going to be our fold lines. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that in right there. All right, and then it's just place away. Let's make sure everything fits right. You want to make sure that nothing gets, oddly shaped and moved around. We want to make sure everything stays in proportion. So here we are. We're just dragging and dropping, and I'm not going to overtly obsess over this. I'm going to make sure it's right. And then we are going to pull some of this stuff in. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right. And so you see this at the bottom right here. We have these odd shaped lines. These are where the box actually locks together. And so what I would tell you to do is, if you can do it, put something fun here. Don't let the bottom of your box stay in, void whiteness or whatever color you put there. Go ahead and put something fun here. For us, we have our little S's and stuff like that. So they kind of live in the undertow for us, but we're not going to worry about placing them too much, but just so you guys can see that you can design on that. So I hope all this has been helpful. I hope that you've had a chance to take some of the fear out of designing a carton, because boxes have a lot of sides and sometimes they get to be very intimidating when you're looking at them from a design standpoint. We always want to make sure we're here to help you reach your greatest potential in all of your product packaging. So if you need anything whatsoever, please reach out to us. We love to help. We love to hear from you, and we love to see what you guys are building. So thank you guys so much.